final of the men's hammer would have a fairy tale ending, underlining how the Olympic Games can reward persistence. And for one country it would be an historic occasion. This was a wide-open contest. The exit of favourite Pavel Fajdek of Poland in qualifying encouraged the others. Notably Dilshod Nazarov from Tajikistan. This his fourth Games. He hadn't finished higher than 10th before, but this time he led at halfway. The competition was about to hot up. Could Nazarov handle the pressure? Ivan Shikan from Belarus tried to knock him off top spot, but this effort would only be good enough for the silver medal. Nazarov was enjoying the challenge and extended his lead. Showing superb balance, timing and power. Next to try to overhaul him, Poland's Wojciech Nowicki. But he would have to settle for third place. By now Nazarov could not be caught, and he wasted little time starting his celebrations after his final throw. Tajikistan had won their first gold medal at an Olympic Games. A proud moment for Nazarov at the fourth time of asking, and for his country. The bronze medal to Wojciech Nowicki from Poland, silver to Ivan Shikan from Belarus, and gold to Dilshod Nazarov from Tajikistan.